Okay, so here's a quick start to finish walkthrough on the Objet. First of all, when you come up here, usually both of these two computers are off. This computer monitor is simply connected with this computer mouse to the Objet. The computer is inside, and the first thing you do, step number one, is just press this power button one time to the solid line. If it doesn't turn on for some reason, it is possible that the white smart outlet right there is not on, and you just tap the little button on the side of it right here, and the red light will turn on. Otherwise, that is just there for other reasons. So you turn this on, one button, and then you open up the laptop and you turn it on here with this button. Just a quick note, if the light is already on this laptop power button, but the screen is black, it's because it wasn't shut down properly. You can do a hard reset by just holding this button for maybe 10 seconds. The screen will the light will turn off, and then you can just restart it. You want to always start the two computers together. So if we were to just turn this machine on, this computer would have turned on in about 30 seconds. It's pretty fast, and this screen would not have opened yet. I'm going to minimize it. This is the desktop, and this is the only thing you're ever going to press on the desktop. Is called Objet. Instead of double clicking on it, I always suggest pressing on it one time with the mouse and then pressing the enter key. That way, when it takes a few seconds to open, you know that you pressed it correctly. Once you open it, it's going to bring you to this screen, and all you need to do is see that there's a red button here. Normally, you would press it and it would turn green. That means that the printer is in online mode because it's green, and it's waiting for commands from the laptop. So now that the laptop is open, when this first opens up, it asks you for a password. The password is just hexcorp, HEXCORP. If you enter the password incorrectly, the password hint will tell you what is the name of the company that you need to ask permission for to use this device, whatever, it's hexcorp. Once you load in, it's even more important. In the upper left corner, you'll see that there's the software, and this software will literally take a few minutes, multiple minutes to open up, so that's why it's incredibly important to press enter. Do not use the mouse, you'll second guess yourself and you'll crash the whole computer. So you highlight it and press the enter button one time, and then you're going to wait for multiple minutes. If it asks you the security pop-up, do you want to let this change the computer? The answer is yes. Yes, you want to allow it. Once it's open, you're going to be in here, the Objet Studio. And you're going to go ahead and see there's going to be nothing on the screen here. I'm going to delete these 4 parts and start from scratch. So now, Rob, I'm going to go up to this button here is File, and I'm just going to go ahead and go to Insert. Right here below there, I'm going to Insert, and I'm going to navigate to where your items are. So first of all, we have on the desktop, we have a folder called Objet Shared Folder, and double click. And inside of there should be everybody's individual folders. If you could always add your items into a subfolder in here, I always start by putting the date, that way you can always backtrack, and we'll double click on it. I already put your 4 items in there. Now, if I click on the first one, it'll show you a little preview down here, and then it automatically checkmarks Orient automatically. That's usually okay. The only thing that I suggest is that you double check inches or millimeters. In your case, it's inches. And I'm gonna go ahead and just hold down the select button and click on the 4th file.